Always getting prettier, getting finer. Bad girl, fire. Girl, you bring the heat like a lighter. And you're always getting prettier.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl, Michaelia. So guys, I know I have not been posting for a while, and when I mean for a while, I haven't posted for like a year. However, I can explain. So due to me working plus some other stuff going on, I didn't have the time to post. I didn't have the time to post, right? So you guys, you can't totally vex with me because I be things that are going, right? From the title down below, this is my graduation vlog. Guys, you guys have been with me from high school to sixth form to first year, second year, third year, all years of work and travel too. I had to bring you guys to my graduation. Like, my love no bad. I know a lot of you been text me on IG and comment on my stuff and say, hey, when may I get my next video? Guys, I just did too much. There were just too many things going on, so I just had to brace myself. However, I'm not gonna promise you guys that I'm totally back or fully back, but I'm gonna try to get some vlogs out for you guys so you guys can watch and be updated with what's going on in the life of Michaelia, right? So the first part of this vlog is going to be my graduation preparation, where I will be getting my nails done, getting my hair done, doing my lashes. Then it will be my photo shoot for graduation, and then the ceremony. So I hope you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when your girl uploads another video. This video is definitely going to be very, like, it's not gonna be lengthy, of course, because I'm not going to be splitting it up. However, I am gonna bring the vibes in this vlog because it's me. I'm back.
Switch it.
So guys, if you're like me, you would understand what I'm about to tell you. So this is the next day, and I went to get my hair cornrowed because I rather my hair to be pre-cornrowed before I go to the hairdresser, because I just feel like the hairdresser them just too rough. So I got my hair cornrowed by someone who I knew wouldn't be too rough. So this is me. I'm gonna get my hair done, so the next time you see me, I'll be in the hairdresser's seat getting my hair done. Guys, I know that this video is mad chopped, but no, I'm heading to pick up my car from the car wash. Then I'm gonna head to my hairdresser, get my hair done, so you guys will see me when I'm in the car heading to the hairdresser. Hey guys, so got my girl, she's clean, and I'm now heading to the hairdresser. I just called her, asked her if anybody's in the seat. Like, one thing about me eat to my hairdresser, I miss somebody in the seat, and especially if I just like the cap them I put on or something. Like, if I know the ear a curl or the ear a flat iron, me I got bakes. Like, make me next. But anyways, I'm heading to my hairdresser, and I'll see you guys when I'm there.
Switch it up.
Alrighty, so I'm heading home now from the hairdresser. Chat, to be honest, I love my hairstyle. My hairstyle is tea. My hairstylist is also tea. She get me good all the time, period. However, the hair is not giving what I wanted to give. I wanted to give it fluff, puff, rough, tough. Yeah, and it's not giving that because the curls that my job. I've splashed too much special. Anyways, the curls not giving that because sorry chat. The curls not giving that because the hair now will the curls. You see me? However, when I go down now, when I go home, I chat too bad enough because why I mean so when I go down. When I go home, I am going to put some rods in my hair and get my hair looking like the way I want it to look because her curling iron wasn't doing it for it because the hair now will no curl. So I'm gonna try heatless curls to try to get that look that I'm looking for. If I get the look I look for, I'm gonna kind of feel away, yes, but I'm a pretty girl and I'm getting a degree. So me not care about me hair. Like this is the first time I gonna hear me say me not care about me hair. Cause I just want to say me hair do. You see me? But the sleek vodka look me look me did want, me not get it. Because of the hair, not because of the stylish, she's perfect. But because of the hair, the quality of the hair is not 10 out of 10. Hello, good morning. Guys, me know the vlog is chopped. Me know it chopped and today's graduation chat and me tired. Me tired. Me nervous. Me anxious. Want to get it over with. Like, oh my god. Sorry. The glue in my eye. So I start get ready. I go rad up my ear so that I can have the curls for later. I have a photo shoot at 12. It's now after 9 going to 10. I go shower, start my makeup. Talking about makeup. My makeup artist had cancelled on me because I was supposed to get my face professionally burnt, dirt, cut. But she said she have flu. So ain't gonna fight, ain't gonna cuss. We got the one makeup, so I gotta take my time and do my thing. And when she forward, what I mean when she forward? When we finish, when we reach on campus for the photo shoot, I gotta pull out the rods. I'm not gonna pull it out now because as me did tell you before, the ear now hold the rod. Me look weirdy. I'm cover my forehead. But I'm so thankful. From morning, I wake up early. This one, like after 6, anxiety. I'm so thankful, guys. Like I'm thankful, not only for the degree, but for the journey. This journey has taught me a lot. It show up, like the journey show up my family, show up my friends, show up who's supposed to be around me, show up who I'm supposed to support back because this journey had this. Me don't know how to express myself, but I want to big up some people in this vlog. You see the lady when named Jacqueline Livermore. I see the lady when named Tiffany Query. This degree is a tribute to she has always been by my side. She stayed with me. She not physically because she lives overseas and I'm living locally. I'm in Jamaica. But however, her presence has always been felt. She has always been a role model. She has always been a mother figure. So my heart goes out. Love you guys so much. And guys, so when I was away, when I was with her, when I was overseas, she gave me this envelope. When me say envelope, I'm so Jamaican. Envelope. And remember the graduation was supposed to be November. I was supposed to open this from November. However, I listened to her. She said I wasn't supposed to open it until graduation, and she wrote it on the envelope. So it said, Michaela, do not open until after graduation. So when I'm in my gown and everything, I'm just going to open it and see what is inside. I'm so excited. Like, oh my god, today's the day where I can get the opportunity to open this. Go ahead and get my hair rod up and start my makeup and just, you know, tidy around so that I can feel comfortable in this space. And yes, it's coronation day. I was on the phone, so I couldn't show you the process of the makeup, but this is how it's looking. This is my hair. I go ahead one time I reach pause. When I am on campus, I will go ahead and take out my rods. However, seeing that the hair now keep the curls, I'm just gonna keep it in as long as possible. But however, I am loving the makeup. It's giving a natural, cute doll look. Loving my lip combo as always. My nice pink cheeks. Cute. I did something with the eyeshadows. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Maybe not. It's something light, you know, light. Yeah. I'm gonna start getting ready, like getting I'm going to oil on my skin. I really need to get something to eat. I should have gotten something to eat before I started doing my makeup. However, I was trying to, you know, but I'm basically ready. All I need to do is just oil on my skin and put on my dress. So I need to get my gown in the car. I need to look for the invitations because I don't know where they are. However, yeah, so far so good. Thank you, Lord. Hey guys, so my sister is here and I am putting on my dress. Looking like such a princess. My photographer just called me that he's at the location, so therefore I need to get out of the house right now. If anything, I realized that like me finish before the time I'm supposed to reach on campus. I might just come back home, freshen up my makeup and stuff, and just wait until 2 o'clock to get to go back up to school. Go back up to the venue. However, I feel like I'm looking tea. Alright, you'll see me when I'm leaving out. Alright guys, so we're heading to campus to get my shoot done. Yeah, you guys, it's the original Ashby Media.
By the way guys, guess what? I've been in photography for so long and I'm my first grad shoot.
My Christian name chat, my Christian. Okay, heading to location number 1 to get the shoot done. Okay, so he's setting up chat. Yay! Chat. This is our first official photo shoot. Like, he has always been taking my pictures, like event, tags, collabs, bangers. However, we had to call for him for the grad. Like, he eats every time, right? Nobody but Ash. Nobody but Ash.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Really? You better kiss your face now? Yeah. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Nice.
Open the eyes.
Yeah, open
Look
my
at the next one.
eyes.
So I look right looking at the camera now, alright? Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Love. Something else. I like that put it on like that. Yeah.
For the smile all I got my kiss.
Smile and kiss.
1, 2, 3. Love. Put it bigger up. No, man. Hold the weight back where they are, do.
Ah, hold it up. Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, in the right step to the, yeah? 1, 2, 3. Nice. We're getting up here.
With her degree, very well worked for.
She worked for a degree a while ago.
What I gotta do? No, never take me from a foot down.
No, hold it up your hand and you come down. Slide down.
You think it easy?
Slide down, kaya. You don't know if you climb tree.
Thank you.
Oh God, thank you so much.
I don't think I did this.
I'm good like a dog. I should be ending to the 10 now. But I'm hungry. Yeah, I'm graduating. So we're here getting our bones pinned and everything. Subscribe. Yeah, it's a YouTube.
Today we gather not merely to mark the end of an academic chapter, celebrate the beginning of a new career story.
There's a land that I have heard about so far.
Chat! Oh my god! I just love present. It's great. So guys, we're out of the tent and we're just here taking pictures. Anna, Trish. Hi. What name do you know, chat? Chat. What's your chat? Tina. What's present and gift and this and niceness. Dear, my love. I'm so proud of my friend. I'm so proud of myself. I'm just so happy. I'm going to go see crib right now. I'm going to eat some food. However, I'm going to vlog around the place so you guys know what's going on. Yeah. And the award goes to Anna. So the lady is screaming up. Danik, the lady is screaming on behalf of you now. Trevman, this is not Trevman, come. So guys, we're heading to see Crave. I bet things are going on the road. I be shouting, cussing and them something there. People them couldn't make me end the day without cussing or shouting. What you want Anna and Chishu and Abakala? Yeah, chat. I could see it. There you go. So guys, we're at Sea Crave. Oh, it's full up, man. Alright. So guys, we're at Sea Crave for my graduation dinner, and I am now opening the gifts that I got from my family members and friends. So this one is from Karen Shore. Yeah, it's from her. And let me show you what's going on inside. The lady know me love baby now. Every minute me give them on this. The angle like, you know, very girl, very cutesy, very nice. So you know, boss every boss, dance every dance. Alright, so this is some Anna.
Switch it.
Trev, so Anna, Trev, and Karen, I got these gifts from so far. So I'm gonna let you guys know the other gifts and show the other gifts after I've enjoyed my complimentary fish soup from Sea Crave. Alright guys, you know how much Sea Crave so you know is the best seafood on the block. Curry coconut fish and my grilled lobster with some garlic butter on it, well plated, perfect. The sides are coming. Guys, me not feel like you understand my about to go down. Like it's coronation day. Sorry.
You know I can't make this thing that official. Believe me, had a great night.
Hey guys, so we're still unwrapping gifts. You remember this one? Michaela do not open until after graduation. It's after graduation now, so leave the best for last. I left the best for last because I know I'm gonna get super emotional one time I pull this. So yes. All right, so they came. So in this, I opened the package, and these, so there are letters, right? Sorry for the cock crowing. I'm in Jamaica. I'm in a tropical country, right? I opened them because I have on the nails and they were sealed, right? So I knew I couldn't open everything on the camera because it would have taken like a million years because I have on nails. All right, so there's 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 letters. All right, the first letter, congratulations on the front. All right, it says, congratulations Mac, you made it. Wishing you all the best as you start this new chapter. May it be filled with success, growth, and amazing opportunities from Cassie and family. Thank you, Cassie and family. Thank you guys so much. All right, next one. For the graduate on the front says, many are the roads that you have traveled. Many are the dreams you might pursue. Many are the ways to make a difference. Only you can choose what's right for you. Wow. Okay, so this is from Auntie Corrine. Auntie Corrine. So it says, huge congratulations to you, Michaela, on your graduation. All the late night study sessions have finally paid off. You made it. I can't wait to see what amazing things you accomplish next. Proud of you. Keep holding your head high. Auntie Corrine. Mwah! Love you, Auntie. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Auntie Corrine. All right. So the other one say, yeah, you. Mr. Chat, I'll be a things are going on the things, you know. Alright, this is from Auntie Sonia. She says, hi, Michaela. You have gone through so much in your young life, but you showed us you can overcome. Congratulations on graduating from college. Well done, Auntie Sonia. Thank you so much. Mwah. See the guys? Yes. Alright. Don't want a heavy door. Don't want a heavy door chat. Oh, congratulations from the Sherlock family. Yes, so Sherlock family, thank you guys so much. Thank you for pouring out into my education. Thank you for all of the encouragement and just being good people. Just thank you for all of that. I just want to extend my sincere gratitude towards and I wish God's greatest blessings on your family. Thank you guys so much. So far it's Auntie Corrine, Cassie and family, and Auntie Sonia and the Sherlock family. Thank you guys so much. All right, next. Wait, guys. I feel like this one is from Punky. I don't know. I feel like this one is from Punky. Cause why this look like Gizmo? No Gizmo this. I feel like this one is from Punky, you know, guys. Alright, make a look. Uno look before me look. Take it Ermling. Alright, so this one is from Punky. Me tell you now, this is a Gizmo. Sis, I am very proud of you. Keep up the good work. You deserve this and so much more. Punky. Thank you so much, Punky. Guys, I can't stop laugh. And these are so, like, this idea was so amazing. Like, this, I'm just gonna keep, I'm gonna frame them. I'm gonna frame them, guys. I'm just so excited. Oh my god. Wait, guys, this is the last one. This is the last one. So, I know who the one that, Jesus, let me start already. I know who this last one is gonna be from, like, a auntie. I'm a mother this. My mother. Oh god. I start the crying already and me na read it, you know? I'm start the crying already. Tell me that add up. Alright. On the front it says congratulations. It says on your achievement, success. Why am I crying and I haven't even read the letter? Success always means more when it happens to someone who truly earns it. Alright. It's from my mom. It's from Miss Jacqueline Livermore. Alright. Says congratulations, Michaela, on your graduation. Your dedication and perseverance have truly paid off, and this accomplishment is something to be very proud of. Wishing you continued success. Oh god, I know I was gonna cry. Alright, wishing you continued success as you begin the next chapter of your journey. Love you always, from your second mom. Guys, so when I just started university, I stumbled upon some financial difficulties where I couldn't afford to continue school because I didn't have any financial help, right? So I have some really good people in my corner, whereas Auntie Jackie realized that I told her, I let her know that, you know, I don't think I can continue university because I can't financially manage it. And she's like, no, what do you mean you want to give up? Because I was telling her, I'm gonna quit, I'm gonna give up. And she's like, no, you can't quit, you can't give up, you come too far to give up. And she just poured into me, she motivated me along the journey, and I wanted to give up when studying was too hard, when I couldn't juggle work and school. And then we started the GoFundMe, and the GoFundMe, the Sherlock family, Punky, Auntie Sonia, Auntie Corinne, Cassie, everybody just, you know, came together, helped with the GoFundMe, and that is how I got to go on the work and travel program. That is how I got to continue school. So these letters are from the persons who have poured into me, not only financially, but their encouragements along the way have also helped tremendously. So thank you guys so much. I just want to convey my sincere gratitude for the love that has been extended to me throughout everything. My mom passed away from 2018. That's when I was 14 years old. So from that time on, these people have never left my side. They have always tried to encourage me, because school is one thing that my mom always wanted me to continue. She always wanted me to go to school, get my education. Education is the key to success. That was her, that was, you know, something that she always said. So me being the first one out of the generation to actually graduate from high school, graduate from sixth form, and then now university, is a big milestone. It's a generation thing, you know. Oh my God, may God rest her soul, Renita, Pastor Spalding, my mom. But yeah, oh my God, oh, thank you guys so much. This has been a journey, and I'm truly thankful that I don't have words to express my gratitude. I don't have words to express how I feel right now, to be able to have a degree, right? I know where I'm coming from, and I have a far way to go, but yet still at this point that I'm at in my life, I am very thankful. Because if it wasn't for the grace of God, and if it wasn't for these persons who were in my back pocket, I don't know where I would be. So I'm forever grateful. Miss Campbell. Oh my God, Simone Campbell. Big up yourself anyway they. Love you loads. Words can't express. I might not say everything that I went through and how many persons helped and how they helped me throughout this journey, but just know, so there are a lot of persons who had contributed for this degree, this gown, that degree, that thing that I have, only the mercy of God. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the encouragement, and for everybody who said congratulations on Instagram, on TikTok, Snapchat, WhatsApp, people who congratulated me on the graduation day. Thank you guys so much. It means so much. But without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. Until next time, walk good.